Artwork that's really making a splash. This student-painted metal fish was recently installed in the Vaden Kumbaya courtyard at Beaufort Elementary School. A local artist worked with kindergarten and first grade students creating the piece.
I'm a metal artist, and so yeah, you take a torch and you cut out the shapes that you want to do, and then for these particular pieces I use pretty much scrap metal, and I weld hundreds of pieces of scrap metal together, and then we form this big fish that's going to be made of 7 pieces. When you put them together, it'll look like a big bonefish.
The students had lots of fun using different colors as they worked on painting each section of the fish.
The fish made out of metal, and I used pink. I like it when I paint it. I was using blue, and I liked it because we got to work together.
The artist really enjoyed painting with the students and sharing his profession and creativity with them.
I hope that they get inspired to be creative. I don't know if they understand the professionalism behind the art, but maybe 1 or 2 of them will take an interest, and kids have access to the web, so maybe they'll peek into it and think, well, this is an avenue that they could go down if they wanted to.
This art experience was made possible by a grant from the South Carolina Department of Education. At Beaufort Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.